Debs. So we've got a very, very special guest joining us. He was on the program about 4 weeks ago, and we got a chance to, kind of touch the iceberg just a little bit, but we're going to have a good full-on discussion tonight with our good friend. Welcome back to the program, Sean Austin. How you doing, brother?
Hi, Sean.
Really,
Welcome
really
back.
good.
Now,
Hey, judging by that hairstyle, I can see why she was out the other day. Getting here a little later.
I was here the last time, but I was behind the scenes, so I heard your interview.
Oh, okay. It
so,
looks nice. It looks nice.
yeah, thank you, thank you. Welcome back. You've been busy, man. You've been busy in the first time between the first interview and now. You've been really busy. I'm seeing the work. The team is at work. The algorithm is at work. I mean, the reels are flying one after the other. The content is all over social media. The songs are getting previewed. I mean, there's a lot. So I'm glad we're having you back. I think it's a perfect time to really get into the full story of who Sean Austin is, where this music is coming from. All right? So let's start at the very, very, very beginning. We're going to take him back. All right, to the roots. All right, where were you born, Sean?
Lionel Town, Clarendon.
Clarendon.
Yeah, Clarendonian,
Country.
Country boy. Proud country boy.
So tell us what was a country growing up like for you. Tell us about that experience.
Well, for me, my parents were from the same parish, right? And my mother was maybe the seventh child of seven children, all of which were school teachers, and they were heavy in the church. All of them could sing.
Okay.
So I am the youngest of three for her, and it just follow suit. Go to church, humble beginnings. Church boy, church family. You don't know it go.
All right. Were you into any sports or anything like that as a kid?
Yeah. Actually, I was a very good center fielder. I still think in my mind that I am, but maybe not. But I was a very good center fielder, a link on, and I did track and field. I wasn't as good with the long runs, but I was a sprinter.
Okay. Like most Jamaican youths, you're gonna kick a little ball, right? And definitely,
Yeah.
especially I don't know why the countryman them fast, but they can run.
Only for
Yeah,
yam and banana.
Take that. All right. So, while growing up, right? How did the music like when like as a kid, did you think I'm gonna grow up to be a singer? This is what I want to do as a professional career, or where did that come from?
Yes, I knew.
You
I
knew from
knew.
young.
Yeah, I knew. Ever since I was probably around six or so, I remember have this very distinct um, dream of being on stage with a band and everybody was dressed in black and white. It was kind of like the Blues Brothers kind of look. And I remember it very distinctly receiving an award. Um, and, I was a big Michael Jackson fan. I had the gloves, the jacket. So I don't know it.
Yeah.
I,
Me too.
I
Me too.
was in it.
I didn't have all of the. I didn't have the gear. I didn't have the gear, but I
So,
was a big fan.
I
so
couldn't
yeah,
sing, but I had a Michael Jackson doll.
You had the doll. All
there
right.
you go. You have to start somewhere.
Yeah.
But but yeah, and then that kind of transition into high school, the local talent shows and them thing there. So eventually, me learn every new edition, every Tevin Campbell, and I had a really a high range, as you know, from young.
Yeah.
Singing a very tiny voice like Michael, then transition to the Royal Trespan style, and they always have like a soft voice as a youth, and just right throughout high school, we just continue the music, we just love music, but I always did know that this is what I want to do.
Excellent. Now, what kind of support did you have when you were able to identify what you want to do that early? Was that something that your parents were very supportive of and were pushing you in that direction?
Yeah, my mom always gave me support. Like I told you on the last time I was here, my mom is my best friend, you know. So my mom, if you can see her now with all the Mother's Day songs, she's on cloud nine because I celebrate her fully because that's my number one fan. She always have my back. But selfishly, you know, being a singer in high school, you know, you get certain perks, you know, as a singer. You know, girls them love you, them kind of way, them they kind of like
True
that.
thing it
So
out. A true
keep
thing it
singing,
out.
you know. Yeah, get all the pretty girl them when they are singing, you know. So yeah, but yeah, selfishly, but just like the way it made me feel, you know what I mean? So we get the support. I was never like a rowdy kid, you know. I always kind of back to myself. I remember when everybody else would go ball ground. Some days would I spend the evening just going through my mom's collection of records. I listen to people like Neil Diamond, September Morn, Shy Lights, The Temptations, and I would know those even Cat Stevens. I don't know if the
Wow.
audience knows those people are, but
Broad range, broad range.
yeah, yeah. So would have spent my time I play music and I listen to music and I study it, you know? Yeah.
So, is there anything that you're working on now in terms of music?
Oh my God. Yeah.
Holy.
I don't know if you know this, but I have some things I'm proud of, which is collaboration. I always like to work with people, um, and I have a few collaboration with somebody very special standing next to you. Um, I'm doing a song with him too. I don't know if he told you, but it's coming out on the Essentials album, which is due out end of June. I also have some projects with Warriors Music, which you know is the busy camp, the conscience, when you hear that enough of them stay, so the producer for that. So I have about 6 songs in queue for this year. For Triton, I have about a large list. I want to say about I want to say about 8 or so for Triton that's queued up as well. Then I have my individual projects. So every month for the rest of this 2026 going into 2027, you're always going to get something new. And I'm really proud of this work because it it's a little different than before. Because like Peck, I've tried different genres, I've tried different vocal styles, I've tried to really try to fit in,
Yeah.
But feedback that I got from many people kind of say, you know what, you need to pick your lane and stay in your lane, and I'm glad I'm there right now.
All
Yeah.
right. So, what is the lane that you have chosen?
Well, I've always been a fan of lovers rock, right? And I'm a very good storyteller. And I feel like what's absent in reggae music right now is a vulnerability from a male perspective. We don't talk about things like being a father, without the drama, right? We don't talk about being a good husband. We don't talk about being, objectively, hold some opinions, some strong opinions in society. We don't talk about being a girl dad. I'm a girl dad, you know. We don't talk about, the mentorship and how we feel when we get hurt too, and the
Right.
trials that we go through. So we really want to tell the stories that others can relate and sing to and feel. I've dialed it down, as I don't know if you know this, but I've dialed it down from 440 hertz to 432 hertz. And what I mean by that is I've calmed down the reggae music a little bit instead of this in your face kind of following the trend of catchy hook. I want you to listen to my music. 'Cause when you think of like Chronics, Exile, when you think about Bob Marley's Exodus, that frequency where you can just vibe with it, you don't have to turn it up loud, it just level, That's what you're going to get from me from now on.
Well, we got a little taste of that in "Ready Me Ready," which was the first single released right or off of the upcoming Essentials album.
Yeah,
Who's the producer on that one?
Triton was the producer on that one, and that one really is just a call, to let everybody know, say, I'm coming.
You
Because
ready?
there's no
Are you
stopping.
forward? Yeah, forward.
Yeah, yeah,
Watch
yeah. I'm
out.
here now. I'm here now.
Okay.
And it's going to be a problem for a lot of people.
We're talking with Sean Austin right now. He is live with us here on the Atlanta's #1 radio show podcast, the Island Heat Radio Show podcast, and we're talking about Ready. We ready? Let's go, y'all.
Ready,
Produced by Triton Music. This is the voice of the man, Sean Austin. Let's go,
I
y'all.
never my time yet, now everything reset. Still I push on and I go hold my breath. And I say me ready, me ready, come on. I never try, me no try, but I never get a fight. Still I push on me, I go hold me head high, yeah. Say me ready, come on. Now that you're here, I can see clearly. You know the words to my song, to my song. You're my inspiration, and everything that I do is for you. You're my motivation. Now every day is brand new.
Now, you were talking about the vulnerability, and it starts off the song. You saying, it wasn't my time yet, right?
Yeah.
Now, that's an artist's story right there, especially an independent artist story, right? You push, you grind, you step out, you give it the shot, and maybe you don't get the result that you were initially looking for. And so you got to get back to the drawing board, right? And come again. Tell us about that process, going through that, building back.
It's so profound you stepped on that because it's really what's driving me right now. It's not the fault of anything that I've ever done that prevented me from getting where I need to be. The circumstances just never line up. I used to sing at the Sandals Ocherias on that circuit, opening for a band called E equal MC squared at age 18. I was in the studio getting ready to record with Buju at age 21 when Buju just bust. I've been in rooms with Coco T, Chevelle Franklin, waiting my turn for years. I've been doing this. And no matter what, it's always something. Either I don't have the bus fare or something. Always
Yeah.
something, right?
Yeah.
And I gave it up. I gave it up because I'm so boy, it's very discouraging. I'm gonna try everything in our move come Atlanta. And for a couple of years I was trying to do it again. But this time it was my content, it was my artistry, it wasn't ready. Keynote, it wasn't ready. Right? So after talking to a few people over, I kind of get discouraged again. You know, if I say, boy, and I saw things said, don't know if put you in a box and thing, we don't know where to place you. So you want to be like Bob Marley, you want to be like this, you know what I mean? So it was kind of discouraging, so I give it up again. So I moved to Austin, Texas. And I remember hanging out with my brother at a bar, and there was a reggae band there playing. And I really didn't, care too much for how they were singing this one song. So I walk up with the liquor and just say, let me sing it for them, man. And that was the beginning of what you're seeing now. You know, it was a bold gesture on my part, but it refueled me to the point where I just started putting out small little projects. But even then, it wasn't as refined until I got into the presence of some major producers who said, listen, here's what we need you to do from now on. And I was humble enough to really get outside of my ego, listen and understand and take it from there. Even you, Peck, I mean, I've sent you a lot of stuff sometime and you give me some really hard feedback, and it's a humility thing. But that was my journey, is having all these opportunities and all these resources, but not willing to be humble enough to realize that I need work. I went and got vocal lessons. I tightened up, and I started.
I'm sorry to cut you, but right there, I got to mention this, right? Because see what he just said, Debs. from I know this man. I know this man can sing, but he still went back and went to do vocal training and lessons on his tool, on his instrument. That is getting granular down to I'm not gonna leave out not one little thing. Make sure say everything that you can control, the things you can control, that you are making sure you're putting forward the best. Yeah, man.
Yeah. And that's why I can confidently say that going forward, Peck, Jano, everything where my fans are going to get from me and the people who will become my fans, even the ones that listen, you're going to get quality. I don't put out nothing anymore where subpar. You'll get quality, non-stop quality. I put pride in my work, I put in the work because the people deserve to hear good music.
So, my brother, you are so right. Talk to them because we got a chance last week to debut this one. All right. So we're talking about Same Street. Give us an introduction to Same Street and where this one was coming from.
Same Street is between me and is a story about me and my brother. We have two different paths but grew up under the same roof, same sky, same parents, same opportunities. But we just choose to do different road. So that is Same Street.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're talking to Sean Austin right here on the Island Heat Radio Show podcast. This is Same Street.
Same street, different shoes, different view, same sky above. From morning light, next man sleep while him lose the fight. One count blessing, one count scar. See him in a dream about different star. One plant seed and wait them time. One want fruit but now work divine. See him sunrise, see him rain fall. Different mind decide who stand tall. Same street, but the road them split. One step forward, one dash.
Pull up and play it again from top.
Same street.
It's the voice of the man, Sean. He told you about the storytelling, didn't he? Did he tell you about the storytelling in his writing? Yeah. Wanna listen story? I want to know.
Different shoes. Different view. Same sky above. From morning light, next man sleep while him lose the fight. One count blessing, one count scar. See him in a dream about different star. One plant seed and wait them time. One want fruit but now work divine. See him sunrise, see him rain fall. Different mind decide who stand tall. Same street, but the road them split. One step forward, one dash and quit. Same market, different price. You pay with faith or you pay with vice. Same street, but the vision change. One free in mind, one lacking change.
Powerful music, my brother. Yeah, the subtlety of the delivery, the warmth of the delivery.
He did say that you can turn on the music and still listen to his music, and I was in it. It got me. I'm here sitting down, closing my eyes and bobbing.
There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are listening to the great music of Sean Austin. Joining us here, he is in Texas. And the reggae scene in Texas, which was the first question I think I asked you last time, which was a big shock, surprise. I was like, "What is bumping like that in Texas?" So road trip. I gotta come in and see the scene. You gotta come in and see the scene. Now, we got to take care of a few little things. Stick right there. We're not done. We're gonna talk with Sean all the way to the end of the program tonight because I got more music, and we gonna do this. Now we are speaking with Sean Austin, international reggae singer who is on the verge of just global stardom and recognition for the great work. I am so confident. The energy that's following Sean right now is major league. He's got the major league players are behind him. And once you got that, hey, it's God in time. God in time. Mm-hmm. So, Sean, Mother's Day is approaching, and you say that your mom was a hero or is your hero. I've often said myself, too, when I grow up, I want to be like my mom. She's always been that rock, that wise person to guide you through the disciplinarian. She's been the cook, she's been the helper.
I'm a mom. Keep it going.
Yeah. So 100%. When it comes to writing a song, especially about your mother, right, who you consider your hero, I don't know if I could ever find the words to fully encapsulate all of those emotions and feelings. What was that process like for you, brother?
8 months. 8 months. Yeah. It took 8 months for that song.
Something about right.
Yeah, and really, it's just everything that I really wanted to say that I never did say.
Ooh.
You know what I mean? That's really what it is. It's what do I want to tell you? And I told her. Plain and simple. It's that simple. But I also wanted to draw from the suffrage. I wanted to draw from the sacrifice. I wanted to draw from the acknowledgement of her work because that's important, because she didn't have to. A lot of other kids watch and parents just, whatever.
Right.
And then we also want to celebrate her, So all of those things in one 8 bars, and then to do it again in the second 8 bars, you know what I'm saying? So I really just, at the end of the day, I really wanted to tell her exactly how I felt and in a way that I better can express myself, because you can't say anything, but, it's just words at that point. But when I lend my artistry, my voice, my soul to it, I think it means more. And she appreciates it.
And it memorializes it too, forever.
Yeah. It's our second one, But they write a ska song a while back. And here. And she didn't like it, but it never do what we wanted to do. So we have to deal with it on a proper.
All right. Well, tell us the most important lesson that you've learned from your mother.
Oh man, humility. My mom was very self-sacrificial. Like without going on a binge, we would pass our common entrance to go school. And I remember a little youth passed him common entrance, but him not have the money for the school fee and the uniform back in them day where we are khaki. And my mother take me and my brother sit out the first month of school and use that money send the youth to school.
Oh, wow.
Know the youth. But that's my mom. That's the character of my mother. She give her last cent.
Amazing.
And to this day, she still do it. She will give anything. So we can only hope I become half of that this journey. Yeah, man.
Wow.
That's just the lesson I learned from her. Be humble and don't frighten for nothing. As you know, Peck, I was never one for the light.
Right.
I don't do the. This is big for me right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bit too much of the light thing, and my thing that, Yeah.
Well,
Humility,
you're about to see a whole lot of it, brother. You're about to see a whole lot of it.
It start already, man. The day so we do on the phone and stop. Bada, my brother.
All right.
People have to play it and all them things, the brother. I never know say it really work.
Good things, man. Good
So
things.
Yeah, give thanks at speed, you know?
Well, you were saying in the song, one brother plants the seeds, for the harvest and does all the diligent things and sees the results for those things. So you're one of those artists that there's not a lot of fantasy in your writing. It's all really based in your own personal reality. I think people can get to know you as an individual through your music, and it's not so much escapism. It's you're dealing with real topics, real subjects, real emotions that people can relate to.
Yeah. I mean, one thing I've seen in the music industry is everybody, I think I've touched this on last time where I said, people show you who they want you to see. And as a result, when you get into the light, people, if you're not interesting enough, them start digging to find something interesting. That's just natural, right? With me, I'm opening the door from jump. You know what I mean? And I'm making sure that what you see is 100% the best representation of myself because me have youth and me have to walk out of some with them on my shoulder, on my back. I carry them with me, them name. So it
Yeah.
means something to me. So full disclosure. So my songs, I should have probably call the album Full Disclosure, but next time.
All right, so let's take a listen, right? Because Mama is my sunshine.
Ooh, like the name.
Don't that just say it right there, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a listen. Let's take a listen, folks. In the chat room right now, everybody, I need you to please respond. Let us know what you're thinking about this one right now. Sean Austin is in the building.
From little you, me see it clear. Mama, you are the real hero out here. From a smile, you fight through the pain. Single shoes, but you walk through the rain. Enough night, me never know you cry. Still you wake up with a smile, never sigh. Rice and peas, but you give me the meat. You go hungry just to make sure me eat. No more I am, I finally see all the love where you pour into me. Even when the road get rough, you never ever give up. Through the storm and the pressure, you turn pain into treasure. Mama, you're my sunshine, my blessing, my guide. Anytime I fall, you're right there by my side. From little you, me see it clear. Mama, you are the real hero out here.
But now nothing to say though. Just listen again. Just listen again.
From a smile, you fight through the pain. Single shoes, but you walk through the rain. Enough night, me never know you cry. Still you wake up with a smile, never sigh. Rice and peas, but you give me the meat. You go hungry just to make sure me eat. No more I am, I finally see all the love where you pour into me. Even when the road get rough, you never ever give up. Through the storm and the pressure, you turn pain into treasure. Mama, you're my sunshine, my blessing, my guide. Anytime I fall, you're right there by my side. Through the dark days, you want be my light. Mama, I love you for life. Mama, you're my sunshine, my blessing, my guide. Anytime I fall, you're right there by my side. From my barn till now, yeah, me realize, Mama, you and me over life. Know me stand as a man today. Every step, yeah, you show me the way. All the prayers where you send go high. No more blessing, just a multiply.
One more time again. Because if you can't pull up a song a great mama song, if you can't play it up 2 times, you don't deserve it. Listen, play it again. It bad.
From a smile, you fight through the pain. Single shoes, but you walk through the rain. Enough night, me never know you cry. Still you wake up with a smile, never sigh. Rice and peas, but you give me the meat. You go hungry just to make sure me eat. No more I am, I finally see all the love where you pour into me. Even when the road get rough, you never ever give up. Through the storm and the pressure, you turn pain into treasure. Mama, you're my sunshine, my blessing, my guide. Anytime I fall, you're right there by my side. Through the dark days, you a be my light. Mama, me love you for life. Mama, you're my sunshine, my blessing, my guide. Anytime I fall, you're right there by my side. From my barn till now, yeah, me realize, Mama, you are me over life. Now me stand as a man today. Every step, yeah, you show me the way. All the prayers where you send go high. No more blessing, just a multiply. Used to carry the weight on your own. No more bill, just to give you a throne. Every tear where you hide from my eyes turn to diamonds. No more realize you deserve all the gold. Every story be told. You are queen in a real life. Yeah, you win every fight. Mama, you're my sunshine, my blessing, my guide. Anytime I fall, you're right there by my side. Through the dark days, you will be my life. Mama, me love you for life. If me never say it before, Mama, I'm grateful for sure. Every sacrifice.
Wicked song, dog.
Yeah, fire.
Wicked song, dog.
Yeah, that's hot.
Listen,
I
listen.
love it.
All right, everybody, right now, right? No matter what you get this mom for Mother's Day, right? Add this song to the list. Make sure you send her a link with this. It trust me, yeah, she'll appreciate you. Yeah, she'll know you really, really love her. Yeah, it's not the jewelry this time. Yeah, but you gotta make sure you send her that song. Mama, you're a great job, Sean. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Respect.
And of course, when the queen herself gives you the feedback and says she loves it, I mean, you know, when the number one fan has her number one song, I mean,
She was jamming, man. I was enjoying. She was jamming,
hot.
boy.
It was.
Hey, by the second verse, she was singing the words, man.
yeah.
Love it. Glad to, love it.
All right. You know what? We're running short on time, so I'm just going to drop another song. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Sorry. We got the chat room. What do we see? We got Flames in the chat room. Heartfelt tribute to all mothers. Yes. Pull up. Big tune.
What?
Yeah, the chat room is live.
Which song are you going to drop?
The first one.
Oh yeah,
DMC.
oh yeah. Bordeaux Creek when the breeze pass through. Zinc roof sing when the raindrop do. One little room, but we all heap of love. Stars on the ceiling and faith up above. Mama stretch for dinner, make a feast from rice. Saltfish and dumplings still taste so nice. No fancy shoes and me down on my feet, but me walk with pride on every street. We never have much, but we have same way. Find sunshine. Oh yeah.
The punchlines are there, folks. The lyrics ring true. The melodies are sweet. The vocals clear.
Bordeaux
Very.
Creek when the breeze pass through. Zinc roof sing when the raindrop do. One little room, but we all heap of love. Stars on the ceiling and faith up above. Mama stretch for dinner, make a feast from rice. Saltfish and dumplings still taste so nice. No fancy shoes and me down on my feet, but me walk with pride on every street. We never have much, but we love same way. Find sunshine upon the darkest day. Pocket them empty, but the heart them full. Country breeze sweet and the river cool. Humble living, but the soul was free. Mango from the tree tastes like luxury. Borderline poor, but my spirit stand tall. Cause loving at the yard was the richest of all. Football in a road till the daylight done. Barefoot race underneath the hot sun. Bottle cap game and old tire roll. Simple little moments used to feed the soul. Granny on the veranda tell story at night. Moonlight shine and the stars them bright. No cable TV but imagination wide. Every bedtime dream was a joyful ride. We never have much but we laugh same way.
Submit it. The Grammy committee needs to hear this. Make sure you submit this project. That is what I'm telling you. Oh,
Yeah.
ladies and gentlemen, Sean Austin is in the building, going through some songs from his. This is nobody else don't have this young. This is world exclusive. Trust me, with all the big producers on the SuperPEC have it first. Yeah, make them know.
Big things,
My-
big
Yes.
things.
No, real talk. Oh, I'm gonna drop one more. I was flinging songs. I'm flinging songs.
Sam Street.
Hold on. You know what? Before we get to that, Sean. So, how many albums would you say that you put together release albums?
To date,
Yes,
this is my fourth album.
the fourth album. All right. What are the titles of each of the albums?
There's 2020, 2020 Reloaded, Purple Hearts, and now The Essentials.
Now, as you go through your career and the journey, and you compiling the art, the music, and you've got so much ready to go right now. You found the direction that you're ready to take off at. How? And this is very because I do a little bit of recording myself, right? So your previous work, how do you look back on that work, knowing that you were still forging your way and finding your path to where you are now? Well, in hindsight, what would you say about each of those projects previously?
Each of those projects, especially the first two, came from a lot of resentment from being told no. Purple Hearts was a great opportunity for me to really dive into my artistry. And the one before this, which I forgot to mention, was Afronomics, was me veering off into the Afrobeat kind of era, and a more sultry sound, a lot more collaboration. I believe that each one of those emotions that led those albums was necessary for me to be here now. It taught me that it taught me a lot of humility. You know, you don't have to be angry because you're going to come out in your music, right? You don't have to try to be anybody else. You don't have to try to fit in. You have to be true to yourself and be your most authentic self. And I think we didn't have to go through all of that, to learn it, to understand how the business work, and just lock in and say, no, do music. Music cannot be my side chick. It have to be my first lady. You understand? And just deal with music on a level of respect. If give something and put my name on something, it's going to be good. But me didn't have to go through that. But me not hate none of my album them. I love them same way, cause I'm right. Me sing them and write them.
Oh no,
I
and
forgot you.
there's good music. I always tell people it's just about the amount of exposure. The more people hear you, the more people can say, "Hey, that's a good artist. That's a good song." It's just about getting the word out there and the exposure. I always tell people it's not about even, because sometimes they'll say underrated. I'm like, no, because anybody here is going to rate it. It's going to highly rate it. So it's just about getting it in front of people.
I want to tell you, say, if I want fan me, I'm still grateful. You see it? If I one person like my music, I'm still grateful. See it? Because at the end of the day, I touch somebody. Because if you look back at some of my work before, I talk about Black Queens, I talk about Don't Take My Life, police brutality, I talk about a lot of controversial things, but I was angry. I was angry, cussing. I was using music as a platform for rebel. Peter Tosh it out and Yaxter it out. But that's not my role. It's something I say, we need to tell the people them story on a level where them can receive it. You understand? And we know that now. So a time for work.
Yes, sir. Yes, I. We're gonna do this. Our special video feature for the week. Special video feature for the week. This is what we played the song earlier. This time we bust in the video on them. This is Ready Me Ready, brand new official video from the man Sean Austin, yo.
Ready me, ready me, ready me, ready me, ready, ready me, ready, come on. I never my time yet, now everything reset. Still I push on me and go hold my breath, nah nah. Say me ready, me ready, me ready, me ready, me ready, come on. I never try, me no try, but I never get a blind. Still I push on me and go hold me head high, yeah, yeah. Say me ready, me ready, me ready, me ready, me ready, come on. Now that you hear me, I can see clearly. You know the words to my song, to my song. Oh, you do. You're my inspiration, and everything that I do. Every day is brand new. See, they know everything full speed. Free from the trap where did I hold my feet? Nah, nah. Say me ready, me ready, me ready, me ready, me ready, come on. If you know how I feel, raise you and let me see. Light a fire, make the whole world see. Me ready, me ready, me ready, ready, me ready, come on. No opportunity. Don't knock soft, kick the door. Shows up fast, no warning, no encore. While you still asking fear what it thinks, second guessing yourself, standing on the brink. It don't come just in certainty, just a moment asking if you believe in me. While doubt whispers, wait your turn. But waiting too long is how chances get burned. Baby, ready, me ready, me ready, me ready, me ready. Take a chance when it presents itself. Don't let fear make decisions for yourself. Positivity, yeah, that's the practice, not luck. But when the moment comes, you've got to rise up. Take a chance, step in the light, even if it's shaking, even if it's right. Believe in you, don't stall, don't freeze. The moment and the door's wide open, take the keys. Yeah, Rastafari. Hey, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ready, me, ready, come on. Ready, me, ready, me, ready, me, ready, me, ready, ready, me, ready, come on.
Yes, indeed.
Hey, you know,
Big,
when you said you were gonna play a video, I thought you were going for the confessions. Not this. I was not expecting that at all.
Yeah,
Because
man.
this, I want to tell us that this song, yeah, no, man, it was like a putting to bed of a whole shedding of a skin. At the same time of announcing, even the lyrical style, the delivery. You guys will never hear that again. It's gone. Yeah,
All
gone.
right. All right. All right. So, you know, I was contemplating whether to give him a little bit of the no weapons, you know.
Oh,
But
please, I want to hear it.
all right. All right. So, folks. This is another big world premiere. Yeah. This one is called No Weapon. All right. This is Sean Austin alongside DJ SuperPEC.
Okay.
I lift my head above the heads of my enemies. Selah. No weapon that's formed shall prosper against me. The Almighty God is my shield and defense. No weapon that's formed shall prosper against me. No weapon, no weapon, no weapon, no.
The power of the Almighty God rule over all. Divine love cover me like
paint on the wall. So when the wicked block for the iron I fall, I go lick them with a lightning ball. The Almighty King on the throne where the crown. Exalt your name in a word, power and sound. So when the wicked block for try you, hold I down. A heavenly host of God, the angels around.
No weapon that's formed shall prosper against me. The Almighty God is my shield and defense. No weapon that's formed shall prosper against me. No weapon, no weapon, no weapon, no. Protect I from the scourge of mankind.
Those envious people, the jealous of my mind. Them no want to see me prosper, no want to see me shine, no want to see me move up, no want to see me climb, no want to see me advance forward in the line. We're hating on them hard, them fight me all the time. We plant evidence, prepare me for the crime. Them now got happy to them hear me flat line.
No weapon that's formed shall prosper against me.
No weapon, no weapon. That is no weapon. Great job on that song. Important song. I think that's one people will carry with them because no weapon form.
No weapon form against me shall.
There you go.
No,
So let me see the chat room. Like and share, subscribe. Thank you, everybody. Big up, Peck. Big up, big tune. Yeah, lots of flames. I see the heart emojis, all that good stuff. All right. So, Sean, go ahead and let everybody know how they can find out more information about you. Get them the website, get them socials, get them everything.
iPhone.
Sean, SEAN, Austin, music.com. SeanAustinmusic.com. From that one place, you can go everywhere. Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. SeanAustinmusic.com. SEAN Austin, AUSTIN, music. SeanAustinmusic.com. Just go.
That's right. Not to be confused with the wrestler. All right. All right. And make sure when you go on the website, check out the merch. All right, check out the merch.
Yeah.
Support.
Yeah,
All right.
man.
Yeah, man. Real thing. Sean, my brother, give thanks for coming through once again. The vibes is real. You did such a great job on No Weapon. Thank you, man. You really amazing. Amazing. When you write and something and then somebody translates it so well. So, bro, you already know. We got some things lined up coming down, people. We got some things.
Listen, I want a request. I can get a request. I call in from the DJ land. You can get a request.
Aha. What you got?
Want you play the Confessions, man. I want old tunes.
You went back. See, let me see. Let me see if I have it. I might have to switch to
YouTube.
Boy, I wish we had it like that. On a short notice. Hold on, let me see.
Same place
it's not loaded on this one. It's not loaded on this one. Yeah. See, prior we preset everything, so we'd have had to pull it down off of YouTube prior in order to get it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Big thanks nonetheless. I appreciate it.
Well, I'll tell you what though.
1 minute.
Mr. P's magic back there. That's what it is. So you gotta hang out for us one more second. Ladies and gentlemen, we making it happen, all right? We're making it happen as we speak right now. All right. The Confessions music video, Sean Austin, coming right up because we're bad like that, bow here. Yeah. And in the meantime,
Jah lift my head above the heads of my enemies. Selah. No weapon that's formed shall prosper against me. The Almighty God is my shield and defense. No
Almighty God rule over all. Divine love cover me like paint on the wall. So when the wicked block for see I and I fall, I go lick them with a lightning ball. The Almighty King on the throne where the crown exalt your name in the word power and sound. So when the wicked block for try you hold I down, a heavenly host of God the angels around.
No weapon that's formed shall prosper against me. The Almighty God is my shield and defense. No weapon that's formed shall prosper against me. No weapon, no weapon, no weapon, no. Protect I from the scourge of mankind.
Those envious people, the jealous of my mind. Them no want to see me prosper, no want to see me shine, no want to see me move up, no want to see me climb, no want to see me advance forward in the line. We're hating on them hard, them fight me all the time. With black evidence, pray me for the crime. Them now got happy to them, hear me black line.
No weapon that's formed
shall prosper against. Yeah, so earlier today, Sean was asking me, she said, Peck, was it a true story? Is something, what could happen?
Tell you, man, I like stories, man.
But I tell you, but and I was explaining it's life, even at the times and the heights of the greatest success, people have no idea of the fight and the fight and the fight that you get. And unless you can fortify yourself, and walk with that straight, ain't no weapon that's formed shall prosper against. And that's just where it came from, something that we need to carry with us each and every day, right? The Lord is our shield and our buckler, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Your force field.
So no weapon formed. So, and Sean, the way, like I said, how you brought that out vocally, yeah, man, chills.
No, man, that song they lick me, man. The song they lick me. We in the studio and I said, boy, John, we pause a couple of times after I stop and said, let me listen to him. I say, oh, that. Serious. Because people out there like that, they don't want to see a shine, man. They don't want to see it do nothing good.
Yeah, right.
We stand up and say, watch out. Yeah, acknowledge how I feel, that don't change me. That me take from where you say,
Yeah, man.
Me hear you, but it don't have nothing to do with me. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Power. Yeah.
Big up. Listen, we got confessions ready. Yeah. Let's hit it.
Baby, you shouldn't have to worry. I'm sorry. 'Cause we know just what you were. Remember, some relationships no easy. Can we talk? There's ups and downs and never turn. You know. Your mama tell you just to leave me. Your daddy said it'll never work. I can explain. They don't understand just how much I love you. No idea how this feels. And everything I put you first. Everything. Whoa, it shouldn't be like this. No, it shouldn't feel like this. You don't have to go. Baby, take it slow. This is my confession. This is my confession. Whatever I've done, let's leave it in the past. Oh.
Confessions, Sean Austin.
When you told me that you loved me.
Taking a trip back down memory lane with that one.
Memory lane.
Big up yourself each and every time. Sean Austin has been our guest on the program, folks. Make sure you go and visit his website, SeanAustinMusic.com. Tonight. All right. And when we, repeat, listen back to the interview, right? Share it to your friends, all right? Sean, thank you so much for spending the time with us this evening, my brother. Hey, I see the jersey, Cameroons. Who's your World Cup? Who's your World Cup team? Who's your World Cup team this year?
I'm misrepresenting myself because I'm in Portugal all year this year. I'll see. Misrepresenting myself. I just want to try it because of the colors.
See. I know. Hey, listen, it's a great team, great jersey. And Portugal is gonna show up. I don't know if they win in anything, but they'll be there.
Hey, me tell you, Peck, I am true to myself. Remember when I was in Atlanta, my hair longer than your co-host,
True.
Remember,
Yeah.
remember Rusty that go on, not change,
The change.
Yeah.
Up there.
Yeah,
Yeah. Big himself, Sean Austin, everybody. Sean Austin, our guest on the program tonight. Thank you again, my brother.
Thank you. And you have gained one new fan.
All right. She got her in the
Thank
book.
you. I'm a fan
four.
of yours.
The control room just says four. You got four. All right.
Give
There you
thanks.
go.
Bless up.
All right. Good stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Out of the Heat Radio Show podcast right here on APAP Radio.